Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about my soldering iron kit I bought in eBay, but I'll put the link below the video. Why I bought this iron, soldering iron? Because it's good package, we can put it everywhere. You protect with that black box, you protect your iron. Okay, let's do this. Okay, the first of all, we need to open here. Let's go. It's easy to open. Okay, we have here the soldering iron. Sorry, I opened before. We have a protection here. Okay, you can see we have different points. I use points. You can put here, change. Okay, if you need to solder something small, we can change. You put this one, kind of this one is small or different. You pick it, which one is good for you. Okay, we have here, we can change, for example, if you want more temperature or less temperature, you can swap here. Okay, start 200 degrees and we can go to 450 degrees. Okay, it's 220 volts and the 60 watts is good iron. We have that support. Let me open here, just a second. It's a little bit difficult to open here, but okay. For example, we can use, sorry, this side. We can use like this. Okay. Okay, the support, this one is not here. The protection, you use there. You have the material to soldering. For example, I can use this one like this. This one I think is very important. For example, when you make something wrong in your solder, you hit and it do like this. You take off that material there. That's it. It's very important. This one came together. Okay. We have the instructions. That's it. We have everything here. Beautiful box. You can accommodate your soldering iron here, no problem, and transport it everywhere. Okay. I will make more videos. I have a lot of materials I bought because I need to assemble my drone, and I need, for example, that soldering iron start to assemble my drone. Okay. If you have doubt, let me show. If you have doubt, we can talk about it. Right below my video, your doubt. I will write down about the link where you can buy this one, and you click the link, you will see the price. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.